My background is technical. As sometimes my HR defines me, I'm a misplaced engineer. When I was first exposed to these, say, power, first before energy arena, was interesting to see the level of customers that need power continuity. So that was fascinating. So having the possibility to know the needs of many sectors, from air transportation, road transportation, from healthcare also, banking, financial institutions, and then the explosion of the web service providers, the cloud providers, the data center. But what was fascinating for me was having the responsibility to take care of the business continuity and of the safety of the mission-critical application of customers. So really at the core of their business, at the core of their safety. VERTIV is a company whose core business is in the data center, in the critical, say, space of data centers. Not only, with some also commercial and industrial exposure in several sectors, but all the typical VERTIV customer is a customer with a critical need of business continuity. So he needs technology, so reliable technologies, reliable solutions with a good energy efficiency, because in many cases one of the biggest operating expenses of our customers is energy for their processes. So they need also efficient systems for us, but all these need to be wrapped in a very proactive service. So we are very honest with our customers, and we say, yes, we provide you an excellent technology, a very reliable technology, but sooner or later something will go wrong. So we will have to come and take care of you, take care of the system, and reset it into normal operation as quickly as possible. This is probably one of our most important values, is the service level that we offer to our customers. And we do it with monitoring software, remote monitoring software, remote diagnosis systems, but also with people feet on the street. So service people, we have a real service network, managed service network, which can intervene in a matter of few hours in the major urban areas and to understand what's going on, fix the problem, and restore completely the availability of the application for the users. Looking at our core customers, we realized that their needs are also changing, so they certainly need efficient systems, but they are more in need of optimizing their energy cost. We realized that we have a lot of assets using energy and storing energy, which are sitting there doing nothing for the 99.9% of the time. So we started thinking, can we can we use more? Can we trade those assets with ancillary services in order to unlock for our customers either cost energy, a levelized cost of energy, for example, or additional revenues coming from ancillary systems like frequency regulation, like capacity market. So, interestingly enough, the real, say, game-changing experience for us was the front-of-the-meter experience, where a customer called Noriker in the UK came to us and asked us if we could deliver to them a battery energy storage system for an in-front-of-the-meter FFR campus, 20 megawatt campus. And at that time, the reason was that they were attracted by our service capability. So being able to take care of the installation and make sure that everything was running smoothly always. And interestingly, at that time, we did not have a product for them, but we developed quickly a product, taking the UPS technology, the uninterruptible power supply technology, transforming it into a simpler battery energy storage converter with a communication protocol, with a control system. And we deployed in time the system, respecting the timeline of the projects. The system is up and running since 1 year. But with this experience, we learned many things. How to use batteries as an energy storage, not only as a power backup source. How to interface our units with the external controllers in the energy space for the energy function. How to modify the control system and how to use the same technology from our UPS to be used as an energy storage system. This is, for us, a new business stream. Okay, so we are new in this space. But then the positive impact on our core business was almost immediate, because this same lessons learned, the same technology, same protocol, same control system, we are putting them back into our standard UPS. So this means that we can do two things. We can address our installed base of UPS users to unlock for them the possibility of using their existing UPS and their existing batteries as a battery storage. Or we can, let's say, we have a better case to convince customers in the commercial and industrial space who haven't been using UPS because they didn't have enough big business case to invest in UPS. Today they have more revenues possible. So it is also reinforced in the case of having UPS. Some users, they told us that they would be interested in investing money in more battery storage, in more energy storage, in order to achieve extra revenues. Actually, the trend in the previous few years of our core customers, data center customers, was to reduce the battery storage because they were just in need of a bridging, let's say, power backup before the diesel generators kick in or other sources could support the installation. Now, of course, they have to go probably the other way around. So invest more in batteries. We think that they might be interested in getting an external project financing resource, an external resource, so that they can develop this project, let's say, co-located with their installation, let's say having a payback for the investment in a few years, then continue to leverage the asset for many years. So clearly the useful life of the battery storage, which must be at least 10 years, is extremely important in this case. So I think that project finances can play a role also for behind-the-meter customers in our space. There is not only the need of having one battery storage, but having the possibility to manage the various possible energy sources, choosing the one which is more reliable for the backup functions and selecting the cheapest one at a certain moment. So this is something that we are really willing to study and to develop with this type of customers, so the management aspects of the various energy sources and the battery storage.